Yo, good day everyone. It's still your boy Sensible. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while I've seen you guys. Yes. How you go do one, Charlie? Man make hot and one make busy. So kindly try and subscribe to my channel. Share it with other people. Let the channel grow so that we all learn more and more. So subscribe now, guys. Kindly subscribe now. Yeah. So this video I'm here to teach you how you can buy PLS, which is what pulse chain in OKX network. Yeah, in OKX exchange. The exchange, I will put the link at the description below so that you can get it and register, verify your account, and you can buy some of the PLS. It's very good. And other new coins that will be listed in OKX. When a coin is listed new like that, that's when people jump in and pump it. You understand? So it is time for you to also get in as early as possible. So let's go. So now I'm going to deposit USDT in this wallet in OKX. So when this one is showing like this, change it. Click here. Click here and change it to advanced mode. So when you see here, it will tell you what, switch to pro. You click on it, switch to pro. So now I've switched it to pro. Then I'll click on wallet. Down here you see wallet or assets. Yeah, so when you see assets, you come and click on deposit. As you can see it over there. Please like the video for me. Why? Like, share. Thank you. Subscription is very important. Let's get to 100 subscribers. Okay, so you click on deposit right here. Then you choose what, none, on chain. Then you click on it. Then you choose USDT. These are the networks. So I'm going for I wanted to choose BEP20, but BEP20 is not here, so I'll go for TRC20. So I'll just click on TRC20. Then they show me the address. I'll just copy it. And I'll go to my account and send USDT. Yeah, so I'm done with the deposit. So as you can see, I'm not having USDT over here. Good. So now what do I do? I'll just go ahead and click on trade over here. I'll click on trade over here, as you can see. So you click on trade. And you click on trade. This is how it will come. So you click at the top here and change it to PLS. As you can see, you see a BTC USDT. So we just change it to PLS USDT. So I just click on it. So when you click on it, it comes like this. Click on the search at the top. Click on search at the top. Then click on type PLS. So as you can see, PLS USDT. You click on it. As you can see, it's already there. So we are buying. Uh-huh. You are buying. So it's here. So what do? I'm buying on the market price. Yeah. So I'll change here. I'll change here. You can see order, limit order. I'll change it to market order. You can see market order. Click on it. When you click on it, it will buy it at the current market price. Then how much USDT are you buying? How much? So you can drag this thing. This one. You can drag it 100%. Any amount you are buying, it will be there. I'll drag it to 100%. Oh, sorry. I have to transfer the money to the. I have to transfer the money to the trading account. So let's go and do that first. So I'll click on the assets. Click on assets. Then you can see transfer here. Transfer. You click on transfer. So you can see it's what funding wallet to trading wallet. So and it's USDT. So the amount you I'll just click on max. You can type any amount you want there. Then you click on confirm. As you can see, it's been successful now. So I can go back and go and continue my trading. So I'll drag this thing to 100%. So you can see the amount is there. Then I'll click on buy. Then they will tell me to confirm. And I'll click on don't show this thing again. Then I'll click on confirm. You can see order is placed. And it has been executed, as you can see over here. So when you click on the assets, you can see that the the USDT is no longer here, as you can see. This is a total trading account. So as you can see, I've top up the PLS. So that's how to buy. That's how to buy any coin in OKX. Yeah, I'll be leaving my link at the description. You click on it, then you do your registration. When you do your registration, you can buy the coin that you want in your account. Yes. So let's go. This PLS is a post chain. It's a blockchain on its own. Yeah. So it's just like Binance Smart Chain, whereby we'll be using it to be paying for transaction fees. It also limits the Ethereum prices. You know, when you are sending Ethereum token, any token that is built on Ethereum, when you are sending it, even when you are sending $100 of Ethereum token, they can charge you like $200 or $300. So Richard Hart has designed this PLS and bridge it on the Ethereum network, so that when you are sending the Ethereum token, you can only pay like 0.005 or 0.05 dollars. You understand? So it's very powerful coin. It is worth to hold. So you can buy it now. Thank you. Subscribe. Don't forget. It's very important. Yeah, let's get to 100 subscribers, please. All right. Have a great day.